Here's another in-depth view on what we were talking about. You can see all the jagged edges. This turbo looks like it has definitely chopped something up. Something sat here playing pinball with a compressor wheel at a few thousand RPMs or something. I wonder if there's any more defects or signs that something got shot through here. Yeah, right there. There's some hard pits right there where whatever it chipped up.
Finally got to the other end.
Yeah, look at that. I wonder if that's pieces of the compressor wheel or if that's the foreign material that was subject in here. Hard to say. I'm pretty sure the motor didn't care. Fucking 7.3 will eat anything. So just to give you guys a size comparison to the GT38 Power Stroke Turbo, Super Duty Turbo. Here's a legit T4 semi-truck turbo. Quite a difference in size. Do the 3-finger test. You would need some big ass injectors to spool that guy. Some giant ass injectors. I don't know though. It could be done. Very well could be done. Has been done actually. Let's get rid of this shit. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's pissing me off seeing it.
Insulation of some sort.
Oh, we got scissors right there somewhere.
Right yonder.
Yeah, the Fiskars. Maybe we can give her a little haircut.
These are the Fisker 9000s. You can get them at any local craft store.
Cutting a little bit of fiberglass. Cuts glass.
I feel like I gotta sneeze.
That'd be a great clickbait title.
Yeah.
Scissors that cut glass. Don't specify, it's just fiberglass.
Yeah, just go ahead and start the video out. So today we're going to be cutting some fiberglass.
Giving some
but you've already clicked this bitch, so joke's on you.
We're giving out free Power Stroke haircuts.
Enter the win.
You know, this turbulence, this disturbed fiberglass might be intuitive that there's been some kind of repairs done in this region. Like they pulled turbos in.
Well, we did establish that...
Over the valve covers.
We did establish that this body's been swapped.
Oh yeah. Had a cab swap and some other shit.
Here we go, part 2 of Turbo Pedestal.
What are those?
Here's the inside of my turbo. Let's see if we can get a better angle on it. There.
So we were just saying, it looks like maybe once upon a time the inducer wheel inside the Charger has shredded something alive, because it looks like it's all cut up.
I think it's functional.
Yeah, everything looks okay.
I've seen worse turbos on Power Stroke page.
Back in the day, when I used to have a 6.5 liter turbo diesel and a GMC 3500 Sierra. And we used to, it had all kinds of problems with the injection pump. If anyone's familiar with those, they're total fucking shit! And I had my buddy had gasoline on a rag on in front of the Charger to get it to start back up, and he let go of the rag a little bit, and it partially got sucked into the turbo, and he yanked it out, and it chipped one of the teeth off the turbo wheel. I never knew where the turbo blade that broke off. Never did find it. Don't know where the hell it went. It still made boost.
Just send it.
It boosted a little slower and it was ungodly loud. It sounded pretty cool, but it was just an old junker truck. Alright, so now we just got to unbolt
that hose or that turbo clamp back there.
The inlet, the outlet, and the journal bearing assembly. And it should come right off.
This is all very new to me. I'm a turbo diesel scrub. A newbie.
Show people this. That is a mod.
Yeah.
That fucker's on there.
Fuel filter mod, bitches.
Fucking. The last video, we went to the store to get heat shrink and engine degreaser. So we are going to wash up and go get some heat shrink and some engine degreaser. What brand engine degreaser?
AutoZone brand.
Okay, don't buy AutoZone engine degreaser. It was junk. I used it last night on my truck trying to get some of my residual oil I had on my H-pop reservoir right here. Couldn't even do it. This reminds me of Diesel Tech Ron. Him and his WD-40. He'd spray everything, man.
Alright. Turbo is dismantled and ready to come off.
Now you can get a better look at the charger wheel we're talking about. I'm not quite sure.
What the fuck happened? Hey!
Crazy on your life. Stuck on.
Intermission there. Had to figure something out.
Yeah.
But we're back.
Forgot that the EBPV plunger rod was hooked to the housings. Fucking let go of the goddamn wires. There we go. There's your turbo, sir. Exhaust side looks pretty good. But that intake side.
What the fuck happened to you, man?
Yeah, I'd like to replace that while we have it out.
Taking me home last night. Austin taking me to Andrew on it. Helping my retarded ass do this. Lots of reasons. One of those clips.
Only the real OGs know what that hole in the casting's for. And the threaded bosses right there and right there.
Different turbo?
Fuck no, that's for old body style mechanical fuel pump. There was no Bosch frame mounted E-pump. That's what used to suck and feed the fuel bowl and pump the heads up to like 50 pounds or 60 pounds.
That ain't anything you might need, is it?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, nice. Fuck yeah. So I dropped the fucking exhaust back pressure valve actuator retainer clip like down the valley or something. Josh just found one.
This is going to rebuild the whole pedestal, looks like.
Dude, it's so hard to decipher where the bolts are, dude. This thing's covered in fiberglass and oil. I think there's one more right somewhere. Oh, right here. You can't see it. I feel it. It's behind the casting right there. Oh. It sure as hell does. Now I'm going to use the fucking nowhere because ratcheting's for old school mechanics. I'm a millennial. Oh, Josh. About time to charge it. This is a 3/8 IR. They're all Josh's. I don't want any of them. Oh, God.
That's the, I think, W5150.
Yeah, here, just in case they're wondering. Mini, me, normal 3/8.
And the half inches.
And it's in your front seat.
You gonna cut out all my grunting, right?
No, that makes good views.
I grunt a lot when I'm a mechanic.
Alright, see you almost there. Alright. Hard to say. I think you leaking oil from here. I think it is coming. Shit, man. I don't know. You're leaking oil somewhere on this.
That's what it looks
That's a lot, man. We're gonna clean this up and figure it out. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
This whole damn thing holds oil pressure for the solenoid, for this driver, and then to feed the charger.
I'd say that's our culprit, though, wouldn't you?
Yeah, remember we did that test, and it wasn't oiling forward in the valley. It was all staying in the back. Here, I'll hand this to you, and I'm gonna get down. Sprayed some of that AutoZone engine degreaser in here. This is the first step to finding such a severe oil leak or leaks. We gotta get it clean, do what repairs we think are normal, hopefully nip it in the butt, and then go from there to see where the leaks may be originating from.